See how the cookie stencil fits perfectly with the cutters for decorating a whole batch of ghosts. Start by loading the ghost stencil into the Stencil Genie with a quadrant masking tool. Line the ghost stencil up with the matching ghost cookie. Plug in your Air Genie airbrush and fill it with silver Amerimist airbrush food coloring. Place cookie magnets around the outside of the design to hold it flat. Test out the airbrush food coloring on a piece of paper towel to adjust the airflow. Use a chopstick in one hand to hold down the stencil as you airbrush with the other hand. Hold the airbrush 3 to 4 inches away from the cookie as you build the color in a back and forth motion. Remove the magnets and lift off the Stencil Genie, then repeat. To stencil the other ghost, shift it to the center and line up the quadrant masking tool. Place the cookie magnets and airbrush these cookies next. Next, shift the ghost stencil and masking tool so the face is at the center. Line the face up on the ghost cookie and hold to the surface with cookie magnets. Load your airbrush with black Amerimist food coloring and test on paper towel. Just as before, build the color slowly from 3 to 4 inches away. Then remove the cookie magnets and lift off the Stencil Genie. Stencil faces on all your cookies by placing the Stencil Genie on each one, changing designs when ready. Aim the airbrush straight down and make sure the food coloring does not bead up on the cookie surface. Try mixing up which face you put on each ghost for a spooky batch of cookies. Visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com to browse our other spooky Halloween cookie cutters and stencils.